that should be more. Maybe you didn't want to wear it. Take. And that should free of charge, or even they cost me money. Take. You should educate. You are aware of this. And now see, you have refused to tell the public what is on ground. And you are coming now to say, oh, we are setting up a caretaker committee. How? And you are deceiving people that you want to sell from. I dare anybody say, I dare them say, let me see a place, office, you will name PDP, National Secretariat. Let me dare them. Open office anywhere in Abuja. You don't do secretariat in your bedroom. You don't do it in your parlor. If you say you're a party, go and put sign PDP National Secretariat. Just like we're occupying Wadata. We're occupying Wadata. That's where everybody knows that PDP National what? Secretariat. If you are saying that you want to sell form, to who? You will submit it where? Is that not fraud? You know that the judgment, you went to court. We didn't go to court. You went to court. And court gave judgment against you. You have not even stated the execution of that judgment. You've not set aside that judgment. And you're not coming to deceive people. We are setting up a caretaker committee who want to begin to sell form. Is that not fraud? Right. Is that not fraud? 419. What is 419?
Let me get a clarification.
Yes.
Here. This judgment by Justice Agomo, was it the one that went all the way to the Supreme Court?
No.
Was given
no. See what I said?
It's different.
No, the one they went to Supreme Court was Justice Omotosho and Lifu. Lifu was one who gave judgment in favor of Sule Lamido, while Omotosho was one who gave judgment in favor of Austin and Co. against what they were trying to do. So that one has now gone to Supreme Court, and Supreme Court upheld the judgment of Omotosho and Lifu.
So where is this one?
That's what I'm trying to say. Now, when they finished their so-called Amala Convention, they now again went to Federal High Court in Ibadan and filed this action that the Federal High Court should recognize them, compel INEC to recognize them as the officers of the party. And Federal High Court said, look, you disobeyed our own court judgment here. Just Lifu judgment, just Omotosho's judgment. And that had been set aside. I mean, that convention had been set aside even by the Court of Appeal. And you had the audacity to file again, coming to the Federal High Court, who has stopped you not to do that convention, telling us now to compel INEC to recognize you. A convention that never happened, that never took place in the eyes of the law. And the judge said, listen, I'm not only going to set it aside, it's a nullity. Moving forward too, the second defendant to the sixth defendant, read their names there.
Yes. Second defendant is Mohammed Abdulrahman.
Yes, Atila Sachaman. God bless your father. Read it again.
My father is named.
Read it again, wherever he is, he's in peace. Read the second one, let the public hear. Yes.
National Secretary PDP.
God bless your mother. Go ahead.
She's late too.
God is blessing her wherever she is.
Yes. PDP BoT.
God bless you. Oh my God. Thank you. They are the defendants.
Yes. And then Tuna Church.
Yes. Now, fine. Now, if I may help you, let me help you, even though they don't want to pay me. Let me help you. So that when you are telling the public, tell them what happened. Okay.
I quickly read some of the points the judge.
No, let me just.
I'm just wondering, where is this case? Is it at the Court of Appeal level?
It is not a Court of Appeal. Okay, look at what it comes. There's evidence before me.
Yes.
No, I want them to hear, not only you. There's evidence, the certificate of the judgment. There's evidence before me from the counter affidavit of Senator Samuel Anyanwu, who was the National Secretary of the applicant, to the effect that at the expiration of their 4-year tenure, which ended in December 2025, a caretaker committee was set up to run the affairs of the applicant pending the time they will hold a convention. This piece of evidence was not controverted by you. A caretaker committee became an inescapable option because the law abhors a vacuum. I therefore hold that the caretaker committee set up by the applicant is the only lawful and legitimate body that can run the affairs of the applicant in the circumstances of this case. In the circumstances of this case. Let me conclude by saying that the first respondent in this case is the electoral umpire, that is INEC. It is only bound to deal with the caretaker committee set up to run the affairs of the party pending when they hold a lawful and legitimate convention wherein the national officers would be elected. So the court has said this caretaker committee is INEC must deal with them because the law abhors a vacuum, and that this caretaker is one recognized pending when a convention will be held that would elect the national officers. And after this, the caretaker committee now went and conducted a national convention, which INEC attended. Now, you now appeal against this judgment to the Court of Appeal. What will the Court of Appeal hold? Court of Appeal has already set aside their convention before. Supreme Court has upheld that judgment. Now, instead of you two, people don't have shame. You have promised people what will be the outcome of the judgment.
Is there an appeal pending?
That's what I'm trying to tell you now. I said they want an appeal against this, which will be had next week, Friday. Okay. And I'm saying that, listen, I'm saying that there is no stay of execution of this judgment. It has not been set aside. Okay. So how can you now come? You have already appealed. How can you now come again to say you are settled up a caretaker committee?
Okay. Would you then address? Would you then address what happened at the Supreme Court last week as regards the status of Senator Anyanwu? Because that's what they
please, let me tell you first of all. Yes. You know, when